Chapter 1. Earth, Globe and Maps. All of us live on the Earth. It is our home. It is the only planet in the solar system on which life exists. The Earth is an oblate spheroid in shape. Its surface is divided into land and water. About 71% of the surface of the Earth is underwater. The rest 29% of the total surface area is land. Globe. A globe is a model of the Earth. It is spherical in shape. It helps us to identify continents and oceans. The globe shows physical features of the Earth like oceans, seas, mountains, continents, and boundaries of various countries and their actual location on the Earth. But it is not possible to see the whole Earth at a time on the globe. We can see only half of it at a time. The other half can be seen by rotating the globe around a rod that passes through its two extreme points. This rod represents the Earth's axis and the extreme points represent the Earth's poles. The point at the top of the globe is called the North Pole, and the point at the bottom is called the South Pole. The globe has the following disadvantages. It cannot show detailed information. It is difficult to carry around. It occupies a lot of space. Maps. A map is a representation of the Earth's surface or part of it on a flat surface. It can be drawn on paper, on a wall or on a board. Maps can show countries and cities of the world in great detail. It is through maps that we can identify the locations and shapes of countries and also the distances between places. People who create maps are called cartographers, and the science of making maps is called cartography. Maps are used for various purposes. They help us to know the distribution of population, transport, natural resources, soil, forest, density of rainfall, etc. of a region. Types of maps. Let us briefly discuss a few types of maps. Political maps. Maps which show different countries, states, administrative divisions, cities, towns and villages are called political maps. Physical maps. Maps which show different physical features such as mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus and other such features are called physical maps. Cadastral maps. A cadastral map is a map which provides information about land and objects fixed to the land within a specific area. A simple example of a cadastral map is a map of a village, which shows the boundaries of various fields within the village. A cadastral map can show other types of areas as well. Topographic maps. Topographic maps show relief features like elevation or height above sea level. These are highly detailed and use contour lines. Besides showing how high a mountain is or how low a valley is, they also show elevation of man-made structures like a dam or the Wall of China. Thematic maps. Maps which show details of a certain theme such as rainfall, forest, soil, weather, roads and crop distribution in a specific area are called thematic maps. Basic features of maps. To read a map, we must know about its physical features. These are given below. Directions on a map. We know that there are four main directions: north, east, south and west. All maps follow a uniform pattern of directions. The top of the map indicates the north and bottom shows the south. The right side of the map indicates east and the left side shows the west. These directions are called cardinal directions. Besides these directions, there are four intermediate directions. These are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Between north and east is northeast. Between south and east is southwest. Between south and west is southwest, and between north and west is northwest. Scale of a map. Since the map is a miniature version of the Earth, it is not possible to show the actual distance between two cities on a map. Therefore, maps are drawn to a scale. The scale of a map indicates the relationship between the distance shown on the map and the actual distance on the ground. According to the size of the area shown, there are two types of maps. Large-scale maps. They indicate small areas, such as a locality or colony with great details. Guide maps of a city or town are the large-scale maps. Small-scale maps, they show large areas like a country or continent with fewer details. They provide general information of the large area. All maps have a scale. The scale helps us to measure the actual distance between any two places on the ground. Colors of a map. If you look at a physical map, the first thing that you can identify are the colors that represent the different features of the earth. Plains and lowlands are shown in green, high mountains are shown in dark brown, lower mountains and hills are shown in light brown. Deep waters are shown in darker shades of blue while shallow waters are shown in light blue color. A key or legend is always given on a map to tell the meaning of the colors used on the map. Almost the same color scheme is used on all maps. Signs and symbols on a map. Various signs and symbols on a map stand for different objects. For example, the boundary of a country is shown by a line made up of dots and dashes. Similarly, a district is shown by a line made up of dashes. One must know about these signs to read the map correctly. Special symbols are also used to show distribution of crops, minerals, industries, dams,